Hey guys, Dan with Brute. Another lead replacement service line. This time we're in Hillsdale. Starting inside the basement. Just want to kind of go through what we've done thus far. Already have our brand new copper service line coming through the wall here. This was the old lead that we're going to be capping and cutting. Okay, sealing it up. This hole will be sealed. This will be sealed. And then obviously you see we're going to be making this connection here. This is the supply line that runs and feeds the entire house, okay? And that's pretty much it for the inside. I mean, the meter kind of stays in the same spot here. Very, very minimal protrusion through the wall. Try to keep things as tight and neat as possible. Let me take you guys outside and we'll show you what's going on with the exterior portion of the job. One of the things that we like to do is we try to keep the excavation to a minimum. And the way that we do that is we excavate pits in our lawn areas. And we're able to pull the line through from one pit to the next, and then to the curb valve location, which you'll see behind the curb once we get into the lawn area. Follow me. As you can see, there are two pits located in the lawn. Small mishap. There was a little bit of garbage and debris in this area. We had to excavate this pit. We hit a beehive. Had to remediate the bees and pull the line through. So we pulled the line through this section, pulled the line through to this pit, and then pulled the line through to our curb valve connection. Guys are already backfilling the area. This is pretty much our dirt pile, which we cover with plywood. They'll backfill to compact all three pits. Once the three pits have been backfilled properly, they'll be compacted, restored with topsoil and seed. And that's pretty much a lead-free house replacement there.